Hi, I'm Jason LaGorga, the founder and principal of Design Crossover Architecture and Interiors. The house hadn't been touched in probably 40 years. Pretty much Marie and I worked on kind of squeezing out every inch that we could. And instead of doing an island that is pretty typical now, you know, we did the corner sink, we did the peninsula, and the owners were a little skeptical about it, but at the end of the day, I think it actually worked really well for the space. And then we came up with the idea for the wrapped corner to kind of incorporate the china cabinet and additional storage, the transitional sort of piece to bridge between the kitchen and the dining room was really helpful. Most of my projects now, if I come to Metropolitan, I come because Marie and I just know what each other is saying at this point. We have shorthand and it just makes life easy. Cabinet colors, countertops, even hardware, it's like a one-stop shop. I've done multiple projects at Metropolitan with Marie, and we think this one turned out great.